In this video, I am going to introduce you to an incredibly powerful niche with an astounding success rate of over 90%. This means that for every 10 YouTube channels created in this niche, at least 9 get successfully monetized. If you're looking for a fast-track method to build a profitable channel, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. Let's take a look at a real example. This channel garners millions of views per video. Just look at these numbers. 119 million, 75 million, 60 million, and even 42 million views on a single video. To get a clearer picture, let's check its performance on Social Blade. The total views for the last 14 days amount to an astounding 126 million. And the earnings for the last 14 days is $29,000 to $458,000. Wow, that's incredible, right? Towards the end of this video, I will help you create this viral niche. Stay tuned, as missing even one detail could mean the difference between success and failure. Step 1. The secret formula behind viral videos. Videos in this niche receive massive views and generate significant revenue. But creating them is not as easy as it seems. This is why there are still relatively few channels in this niche. However, don't worry, I will teach you a simple yet effective method to create such videos effortlessly. The first step is writing scripts that match the style of successful channels in this niche. I analyzed approximately 40 to 50 viral videos and discovered a common storytelling pattern that consistently drives high engagement. Every successful channel in this niche follows the same script structure: 3 superheroes and 1 villain. The superheroes either battle the villain, compare themselves with him, or interact in a way that captures the audience's attention. For example, let's analyze a video that has already amassed 30 million views. The storyline unfolds like this. In the first scene, Joker's girlfriend gives him a gun as a gift. Captain America sees this and asks for a similar gun. Venom also requests one. Spider-Man, who struggles to get a good gun, finally asks the audience for help. At this point, the video cleverly incorporates a technique that hacks the YouTube algorithm. Spider-Man directly asks viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. This results in a massive engagement boost, pushing the video into viral status. This is just one powerful trick to make a video go viral. Towards the end of this video, I will share 2 or 3 more advanced tricks that will further enhance your chances of success. Step 2. Writing the perfect script. Now that you understand the storytelling format, the next step is to write a script scene by scene. Let's break it down. First, I asked ChatGPT about the Final Galaxy channel, and it gave me a full breakdown. Then I gave it a prompt to generate an engaging script similar to that channel. It provided a script, which you can pause the video and read. But I noticed something. The script had too much dialogue, making it long and boring. So I made some tweaks, shortened sentences, and simplified it. You can compare the before and after versions. Want to make things even easier? Here's a hack. If a video uses a gun as the central element, simply replace it with a different object: a car, a mobile phone, or even a magical weapon. This simple tweak is enough to create a completely new script while maintaining the viral formula. I found a video on this channel where the gun was swapped for a mobile phone, and it also went viral with millions of views. Once you create 4 to 5 videos using this method, you'll naturally start developing your own unique style. Step 3. Generating images and voiceovers. I gave ChatGPT a prompt, but it generated only 5 cartoon-style images, not exactly what I wanted. So I refined my request, asking for around 25 prompts, ensuring character expressions, stances, and actions were mentioned in detail. This time, it gave me a much better set of prompts. Then asked ChatGPT, now give proper detailed prompts for each possible scene to generate in Leonardo.ai. ChatGPT will generate prompts for each scene that we can use in Leonardo. Go to leonardo.com, log in or create an account. At the home page, click Image Creation. Choose Phoenix 1.0 model for best results. Click 3D Render Style. Set aspect ratio 9:16 for short. Copy and paste the prompt into Leonardo, then click Generate. Wait for a few seconds, you'll have perfect images for your video. Once your images are generated, you can use AI voice generators to create engaging narrations for your videos. I'll use 11 Labs, an easy one to use to generate voiceovers for free. Copy and paste the script, Choose the voice for each character and generate them. Step 4. Editing the final video. For editing, I used CapCut. Import all images into a new project in sequence. Go to audio greater than sounds, then add the voiceovers one by one. Trim unnecessary pauses in the voice clips by splitting and deleting them. Increase the tempo slightly, about 1.2 times speed, to make the dialogue flow better. Sync the images with the voiceover by adjusting their duration. Add animations. Applies a rocking vertical effect to every clip. Apply slow zoom effects using keyframes for better engagement. Add sound effects like swooshes, slams, or comedic effects where needed. Insert background music. Uses a particular track in every short. Once everything is set, just export the video and you're done. Final thoughts. By following these techniques, you can create high-quality AI-generated videos that have the potential to go viral and earn thousands of dollars per month. If you follow these steps, you can start growing a successful YouTube channel in this niche today. So don't waste time. Start implementing this strategy and watch your channel take off. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for my channel. See you in the next video.
Welcome to the Ultimate Dance Showdown. Tonight, our contestants are Spider-Man, Venom, Captain America. Our heroes will face off in a dance battle to determine who has the best moves. Spider-Man.
Hey!
Venom. Captain America. Who do you think won this epic dance-off? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic showdowns.